If you already have Palo Alto training credits and you're wondering how to actually use them, this video is for you. Palo Alto Networks training credits are a prepaid way your organization can use to book official Palo Alto training across the year. Instead of raising a new purchase request every time someone needs a course, teams can buy credits once and redeem them as training needs come up. Each training credit equals $100 and is valid for 12 months from the date of purchase. The same pool of credits can be shared across employees, making it useful for both individual training and team rollouts. These credits can be redeemed through Palo Alto Networks Authorized Training Partners. They can be used for instructor-led courses, live virtual classes, or private team training, depending on how you want the training delivered. The redemption process is simple. You select the course, register with an authorized training partner, and share your training credit ID. The partner verifies your balance, confirms your seat, and the credits are deducted after the training is completed. A common question is how many credits each course takes. While the exact number can vary by region and partner, most one-day courses require around 10 credits. 3-day courses typically take about 30 credits, and 5-day courses usually require around 50 credits. If you are unsure which course fits your role or environment, choosing the right path up front helps avoid using credits on training that does not align with real job needs. As a Palo Alto Networks authorized training partner, Datacipher Education accepts Palo Alto training credits for eligible instructor-led and virtual courses. We can help you select the right course track, plan seats, and complete the redemption process smoothly. If you want to turn your Palo Alto training credits into confirmed training dates, share your course requirement, number of learners, and preferred timeline with our team. We will help you move from unused credits to booked training with minimal back and forth.